What's up, friends? It's been some crazy times since I've seen you, since you've seen me, whatever it is. On top of all that, my GoPro died, insurance companies. Anyway, you know what they say, when life gives you lemons, make lemonade, or limoncello, and drink tequila. Whatever you gotta do. I'm currently here in Mossman, just drove up here from Port Douglas this morning. The markets here on Saturday are supposed to be great. Today's episode's a bit of a day in the life type scenario. With the GoPro gone, I didn't have a lot of face-to-face footage for you guys. I have stacked a heap of drone clips for you. Hope you guys aren't sick of that. I'd also like to do a little van tour, finally. But for now, let's go check these markets.
Beehive ginger flower.
They're beautiful.
So a fruit bat, which is also a mega bat, can disperse up to 600,000 seeds in one night. And an insect bat can eat 600 mosquitoes every half hour. How about that? Have a look, because you see that all the bats are different. Bats are like people. They're really different, they've got a different personality, and they look different. We have to protect the bats because the bats are who plant all our rainforests. It says, guano make rainforest.
Hey, it's about time we do this van tour. I'll try to keep it brief. If you want to get deeper into the build details, I'll make a separate video for that. Without further ado, let's jump in. Meet Wings. Wings is a 1997 Toyota Hiace long wheelbase, 2.8 litre diesel, 5-speed manual. In a previous life, Wings was a tradie van, working hard, lugging and hauling. Wings has now bloomed into his true life's calling, an adventure van, free as the wind. Design-wise, we wanted to keep the fit-out simple, minimal and spacious, but also minimise on any added weight, fitting only the bare essentials, including the kitchen sink. I opted for aluminium tube framing for the cupboards and bed. It's super lightweight and easy to assemble. The cupboard doors and drawers are all made of 9mm MDF, sealed with exterior house paint. The floor is 12mm plyboard, sealed with tung oil. The overhead pantry was probably the most difficult part of this install. It's fitted to the overhead crossbars instead of the wall, resulting in a super solid fit. The fridge is a 38 litre 12-volt Engel, powered by a 130 amp-hour battery box, fitted behind the driver's seat. The battery box takes charge from the alternator, as well as solar, and is connected to a 300-watt inverter for charging 240-volt devices. The sink tap is a classic hand pump style that draws from a 25 litre removable water tank. I've made a point of keeping all of the mechanical panels accessible, just in case of a breakdown. The lower walls are insulated with earth wool, the upper walls treated with rubber foil sound barrier. Under the floor is insulated with foil board. The walls are covered in felt, the ceiling in repurposed curtain fabric. The lights and fans are all USB rechargeable to minimise on electrical wiring. The bed is double size with a memory foam mattress. The drawers reach deep under the bed from both ends and simply slide on the pine floor, set in from the back of the van to make space as a shelf. Also a rechargeable sensor light, which is really handy at night, and little stash cupboards to the sides with magnets to keep them shut. For airflow, I fitted a rotary vent in the roof. In hindsight, this could have been bigger, especially if you're travelling into warm areas. Also on the roof, a 2.5 metre awning and 440 litre storage pod. Highly recommended. I'll be sure to post a gear list in the description below with links to research and purchase items if you need. I'll be uploading a more detailed van build video in the following weeks. Please jump in the comments section if you have any questions about the van. And I'd love it if you can support the channel by subscribing and liking.